What's up, folks? Honey's morning update. December 30th, last trading day of the year. What a doozy it's been. So we'll cap this out and we'll start a new year with the next episode. It's crazy that 22 is over. Anyway, 70, big level. We need over that, and we are not even close. We're down at 44, down today. We had that ripper yesterday. The 3806 level held that, so that 3803, 3806, basically 3800 needs to hold. You do have a level at 3811. If we get down there, 3837. We're kind of here at that 40 range. There's just so much traffic in here. There's so many different levels. It's hard to see what's going to hold and what's not. But I'm watching the 3800. And you have this low down here at 3788. So that's something else I'm watching. But it's kind of just puking this morning. From a macro aspect, well, semi-macro, 3920 to 3850. So below 3850 is going to put us in bearish scenario, and then bulls need above 3920 on a sustained basis to get this up north, and that's not even the case. Now, if we go below 3800, that opens up the door for the downside. So that's kind of my concern. Is this area right here does not hold today. But again, who knows? It was kind of a light volume squeeze yesterday up. I think, as I said, I said on the floor, I think we do up day today, down day tomorrow, which would be today. So again, 70 is going to be your big number. If we can get back over 70, I think we can see some sort of rally, but it right now it doesn't look very good. Pivots 52, 38.99. I like that. Upside 38.22 S1, and then 37.76. Those are your pivots today. Here's your daily. Your 200 days at 40.16, so it coincides with that 40.20 I want over. The 50 and the 100 are pretty tight here. 08 and 17. This 39.09 level we just can't seem to get back over. Which is the 2-year point of control. So as you can see, we're still kind of in this little range. I don't know. We'll see today what it brings. It would be fascinating if we just dumped and died on the last day of the year, but I guess that would kind of be the year, right? To finish out. What a weird year. 36.60 is your 200-day on the weekly. That's still going to be the major support I'm looking for. So the weekly chart's still kind of, I don't know, we'll see. Let's go Euro down a little bit, 106.5 again, below 106 on a closing basis today, puts it vulnerable. And I think that level's more like 106.3, but we'll see. Either way, it really needed above 107, 107.5 to get on a closing basis for the year to get that into somewhat neutral to bullish. I'm not optimistic about the euro at all. Cash gaps from yesterday, 805 to 37.83. That is definitely something that I would be watching today. Upside cash gap, we chewed into it a little bit yesterday, up to 78, so 58 to 78, so that's down to 20 points. And this one down here, 37.64 to 37.48. I don't see that hitting, but it would be that would be sad if we did. Funny, 37.56 was the 2020 SPX yearly closing, so we are short and curly above that. That would be interesting to wipe out just 2 years. Some food for thought on numbers. Anyway, so today I don't know. It's looking bearish now, but I don't know if we're going to just pre-market bearish this and rally it back, if we're going to hang out here, if they're just going to peg the 38.50. I don't know. It's interesting. On the yearly closing basis is we haven't really. It's not really a whole number, or hasn't been a whole number like 3,700 or 3,750 or 3,800. Those pins haven't really been there. So I don't know if I'd say like, oh, we're going to pin 3,800 for the year. I don't. Traditionally, it doesn't do that, but it might get close. So 3,800, 37. I hope not 3,750, but 3,850, that type of stuff. So I don't know today. Stay safe. Yesterday was, if you caught the right side of it, was a great trade. If not, it was brutal. It's been a interesting few days. The volume will pick up after the new year, and we get into 2023, which is more likely going to be an interesting. It's going to be a shit show, but hopefully we'll have elevated VIX and everything else to help us get some good premiums. As long as this market structure stays the way it is, I think we can just kind of keep grinding. And anyway, Happy New Year, and I should be in the room all day.